Fáilte go My First Focail. Welcome to My First Focail's three-legged St. Bridget's Cross tutorial. We begin by taking two rushes and bending one over another, making them perpendicular to each other. You then turn the rushes clockwise, pick up a third rush and bend it in half from left to right. You then turn it clockwise once again. It is important that you hold the middle of the cross firmly with your thumb before, during and after each turn. This is where the three-leg cross differs from the four-leg cross. Instead of adding a fourth leg, we continue to turn the cross clockwise while adding rushes to each leg. You can see how the center of the cross is beginning to take a triangular shape. This is what you should aim to have. Once you have this triangular shape, we just keep adding rushes until you are at your desired thickness. The more rushes you add, the bigger your cross will be. Finally, once you have added as many rushes as you would like to, it is time to make the center of the cross as tight as you can. Once you are happy with your cross, it is time to tape the ends of the legs as shown. If you would like to see any of these steps slower and in more detail, head over to My First Focail's traditional St. Bridget's cross making tutorial. Once the legs are secured, it is time to trim off the excess rushes from the ends of each leg. You should then end up with a cross that looks just like this one. Make sure to check out our Instagram page at My First Focail. Head on over to Facebook for more similar content. Goro Mayagov. Thanks for watching.